Hey fam, I'm Marcus.
And I'm Shedrick, and we're with 5 friends, 1 family.
Can't change me. Can't change a real nigga, man.
They say I'm acting different, I got a little money. Cause I ain't always in the hood, they calling it funny. They see a nigga elevating, they calling it stunting. We never change, don't give a fuck about all of these honeys. It's crazy they hating, we came from the same block. I started rapping while they continue to sling rocks. I want it different, I had it.
Alright, I know y'all waiting on that pending Chris Moore collab, but it's gonna take a little while for that video to edit. But until then, we gonna talk about how my boy over here tried to kill me. Watch the clip. That y'all seen the video, Shed,
Yo,
what was you thinking? What was going through your head?
well, first off, there's been so much trash talk between this race between you and me.
Then our boy 51, sup, debuting Remy out here with the fresh paint job. Woo! Woo! How you feeling? How you feeling? You ready to catch this L as soon as I hop on this bike?
Get on it, man.
All right.
About to be about it.
You know.
Yo, on the line.
Yeah.
So, I figured I had to give her all she had, first of all. So, one thing led to the next, and I came out slightly harder than I normally would, but
That was a little bit more than slightly.
yeah, but hey, it is what it is. I tried not to kill you, but it was just an accident. It's always been fun and trying to make sure you get this there.
So what did you have to do to avoid letting go of the bike completely, just dishing it out? What made you decide to ride it through? What was your thought process step by step?
I don't know if I can relive that step-by-step moment, but at that point in time, it was a lot going on in my head. Like, I just got the bike painted the night before. First time back on after putting everything back together. I didn't want to wreck it out, but at the same time, I knew you were up on the mill in front of me, so I ain't wanted to hit your bike.
Emphasis on I was in front of you. Continue.
Slightly, But at the end of the day, I was just like, you know what? I'd much rather sacrifice the bike than to hit you. So I just stayed in a little while longer rather than just panicking and dumping it and thinking since you didn't call me to actually have accident. So it was just more or less, man, trying to just keep my bearings and keep my focus right. And when she was out the way, I just laid it down and kept going. So finished the race.
Well, let me tell you what I was thinking. I was so intrigued by that wheel going up. I'm like, Shed really took off. And I'm looking at Shinko right there on my shoulder, and I just wanted to watch. But then you started coming closer, and I'm like, I think I need to get up out of here. And boom, I was back in it. Yeah. Gotta go. And the whole time I'm like, I hope he saved it. I hope he saved it. And down the race, I kind of looked back, heard the other bike, And I was just like, oh shit! He willied the heck out of that bike.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, I know, you know, you've been trying to beat me for the longest. It may or may not happen.
It's gonna happen.
I doubt it, but you
Just
know.
Stay tuned like a cartoon. That's what I tell y'all, man. I just say on Looney Tunes, stay tuned. You'll see it. It's gonna happen. Just let me get him dialed in. Let me get him back riding in a minute. He gonna catch one. Go catch Minnie. I'm gonna make sure I come back and let y'all know too. I gave it to him cold.
Ain't about that. But until then, appreciate y'all checking out this video. Every person in the clip, thank you for allowing us to use your video.
Most definitely.
Y'all go check them out. Their hashtag is up. Their
Like, subscribe.
is up at
share.
the top left of the corner. Everybody, every one of them has something already posted from that Panda and Chris Moore collaboration. Go check them out, and hopefully our video will be uploaded soon.
Appreciate all you guys who support us, who continue to like and share our videos. We really do appreciate it. Appreciate everybody who helped us reach our 1,000 subscribers. Hopefully we can keep the trend going and keep bringing you guys good content, keep you guys entertained, and you know, keep doing what we like to do, have fun.
All right, y'all. Y'all be safe. Okay. Your line, you missing your line.
What?
So on Shed and just say I'm with 5 friends, 1 family.
Oh, so if you say I'm Marcus.
I'm Mark. Hey fam, I'm Marcus. And you gonna be like,
we're with 1 friend. We're with 5.
you never so
Bloopers.
I'm with 1 friend.
All right, yeah, we're 5 friends.